I'm sitting in front of me DOOGEE S98 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's first open the settings, and after that we should scroll down to the display section. After that, tap here to wallpaper, and we can use our device system wallpapers, the default ones, and local album if you have just some photos. For example, I have here a lot of screenshots, I can also use them here. So let's use the system wallpapers. We have selected this one, I think. Now let's use this one. Just click here to the application, and we use it here when you use it on lock screen. So select lock screen. This wallpaper set successfully, we can see, and now we can see here the result. So also we have the second way how we can do that. Just we should hold for a while one from our device home screens. After that we'll see here the wallpaper section. Just click here once, and by the same way select one from these available wallpapers. Just select the lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.